Let's start by arranging small pieces of dry wood in a pile. Once it's going, carefully add larger and larger pieces of wood. Be careful not to burn your hand. Let's wait until the fire gets going. We'll place the skillet stand and wait for the fire to burn down a little bit. Next, we'll cut the brioche buns in half. Place the cast iron skillet on the stand over the fire. Add a generous amount of butter and spread it all over the surface of the skillet. Once the butter is melted, place the bun cut side down. Let the buns toast up for a couple of minutes. Next, we'll take the buns off and place the prepared balls of hamburger meat on the skillet. Using a spatula, flatten them to the desired thickness. We'll only season one side of the patties with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now, let's make the sauce. In a small bowl, we'll combine homemade mayonnaise, yellow mustard, and ketchup. Voila! A classic sauce for cheeseburgers ready in less than 1 minute. Alright, now the burgers are ready to flip. After they're turned over, we'll go ahead and put American cheese over the top and let it melt for a couple of minutes. Now, we are ready to prepare the bottom toasted bun with sauce. Spread the sauce evenly on the buns. You can see that the cheese is super melted. And here we go. Stack 2 burgers together and place them on a bun. The smell is amazing. Look at this. Look at how awesome this looks. A slice of tomatoes goes on top, and more sauce goes on the top bun. Come closer and check out the juiciness. The only thing left to do is cut and eat. Now, guys, I'll be honest with you. This burger may be the best one I've ever made.